segments. Okay, let's go to details. First of all, I will show you how to set up everything. First of all, if you use a Weber, you need to go to settings and make sure that you set a Weber analytic code. How to do that, I explain it in the settings video, so please watch settings video to see where to get this analytic code and how to set up it properly. Next, what we need to do, we need to go to segmentation tasks in menu. The purpose of this module is to initially set up segments of our subscribers. So Email Marketing Pro tool will get list of all your subscribers and check what subscribers are just opening your emails and what subscribers are actually clicking your emails. And we'll create separate segments for every of these subscribers. You need to do this just once for every of your list. For example, for a Weber, I click segment a Weber list, choose my segments and hit submit button. Here in the table I see list of my list and that the segmentation task is performed. So actually, after adding these segmentation tasks, you need to wait at least 24 hours till everything will be processed. So actually it is big task and we do this slowly. So again, add segmentation tasks for every of your list and wait 24 hours till it completed. Next, if your lists are fresh and you did just a few mailings to this list, so it is not good time to do segmentation. So I recommend for such lists just to utilize mailing on opener strategy. So it will work the best. When you mail it 5-6 broadcasts for your list, at this point you can set up a segmentation. So go to segmentation task menu and create segmentation task for every of your list. Okay, we have done with this setting. Next, the process is absolutely the same as with mailing on opener strategy. So we go to campaigns in menu and create our campaign. How to do that? It's well explained in my previous videos related to unopeners campaigns. And what is the difference here, I will show you now. So actually, when you create your campaign, you will see that there is send messages to settings. So by default, it's mailed to all subscribers. So we can choose if we like to mail for our clickers, openers or unopeners. So you can utilize this setting now. For this strategy, you of course may utilize schedule broadcasts for unopener strategy in full. So actually you can do mailing and then mailing your unopeners. But what additionally is here is this set, use campaign tracking. So this actually settings allow us to do follow-up. So I enable this setting and need to make very simple settings. So I have to give this campaign name. I will call it case study, and also I need to give label. Label is should be one short word which defines your campaign. So I will call it case study like this. So this will be used to create segments and hit submit. So this added my campaign to the queue and it will be scheduled, and then broadcast for unopeners will also be scheduled. Next, what we can do with this campaign. So we can go to follow-ups in menu. Here we can choose our provider. This is actually your autoresponder, a Weber, GetResponse or MailChimp. And now I will choose my campaign I have just created. Next, I click create a Weber campaign follow-up. Here I need to choose a draft of the message I have prepared in advance for this particular follow-up. I select my message and choose for what particular segment I like to send this message. So I can choose clickers, openers or unopeners. And this will send only to clickers and openers of your campaign we set up on the previous step. Next, I choose date and time when this particular follow-up have to be sent and give this follow-up name. So I will name it and hit submit button. And again, how to set up message draft I have explained it in my videos related to an opener strategy, depending on what autoresponder you use. So I click submit and I'm done. And this particular follow-up will be sent to subscribers who open our case study 20 minutes campaigns only. The same you can do to mail to subscribers who not open this campaign or to click this campaign. Thank you for watching. Hope you will like this strategy. In this video, I'm going to explain you the power of Email Marketing Pro tool. So actually, it implements the following rule. If you mail your subscribers in morning, mail those who didn't open your first broadcast at evening. So actually, if I mail in the 11 a.m., I will mail 11 p.m. So manually to do this is very time consuming, but using Email Marketing Pro tool, it just 3 mouse clicks. In another videos, I will explain you how to use it with a Weber, with get response. In this video, I will show you just basic concept. So actually, when you go to your Email Marketing Pro Tools campaign and you created your campaign, so this campaign will be scheduled, and at that scheduled time, say at 11 a.m., the email will be mailed. Later, the system will check who didn't open the first email and will create the copy of your first campaign and mail exactly to the subscribers who didn't open this email. So actually, we think that they are reading their emails at evening. So and how it will look in your, say, get response account. Let me go here. Here is a message I mailed. So as you see, it was scheduled for 4 p.m. It is my local time. It is 11 a.m. Eastern time. So there was separate message for every list was created. It is done because we in Email Marketing Pro Tools, in the settings, we have ability to specify actually email address which we will like to use for particular list. And having this ability, you can see how responsive is every of your list. So not just all lists mailed together. So I see that my magic submitter subscribers, I have 36% open rate and 7.6 clicks rate. And I can check the stat for every of my particular list and take action needed. So this was my morning mailing, and as you see, later at 4 a.m. my time, it is 11 p.m. Eastern time, second mailing was done. So actually just it was mailed just unopeners. So if, for example, magic article rewriter, here it was mailed with to 173, and first time it was mailed at 199. So here is actually comparing these figures. You see that just unopeners was mailed. And if you go to Email Marketing Pro Tools, into campaigns, and find this campaign, you can see your joint stat. How many opens I had during morning mailing, 131 clicks, and it shows how many opens I had my evening mailing and how many clicks I had. So actually, as you see, I got additional clicks from my evening mailing. This was my Weber get response stat, and let's look my Weber stat. Again, as you see, we got additional clicks. So this is all about the concept how Email Marketing Pro tool works. And let me show you some results. Here's my results from a couple of past days. Actually, you can see that here is the mailing on 3rd of December at the morning time, and this is result of mailing on the evening time. It shows 4th of December because my local time is London time. So actually it was 4th of December already. So actually, and the same 5th of December and 6th of December. As you see, I'm also getting more sales, and so on each day. So I mailed and automatically remailed. So I'm getting profit from every of my unopeners mailing. So actually you may ask, so this works for affiliates only? No, I can say that this works for any kind of mailing. So actually, if you are, say, in local business, it is also a good idea mail your prospects in morning and the evening. Maybe they have time to read your email at evening. And when they come to their PC, and they will see your email at the top of the list. Thank you for watching.
One of the most interesting